This stand is basic, but in the best possible way. Look, this isn't the stand that's going to ask you how your day went or remind you to drink water, but it will hold your guitar like a champ while you ponder life's big questions, like why you still can't play Stairway to Heaven smoothly. It's adjustable, so whether you're rocking an acoustic, electric, bass, or even a banjo, yes, it's banjo-friendly too. This stand has your back, or more like your guitar's neck. No judgment on your tuning skills here. Folding design? Check. That means you can collapse it faster than you collapse onto your couch after a long jam session. And it's light enough to carry to gigs or just around the house when you're trying to find the perfect spot for your instrument, which we all know is right in the living room where everyone can see it. Is it fancy? Nope. But it doesn't need to be. This stand is the unsung hero, the reliable sidekick, the Robin to your Batman or Bassman. It's like that one friend who doesn't need to say much, but is always there when you need them. Bottom line, if you want a stand that does its job without fanfare and looks cool while doing it, the Amazon Basics folding stand is your new bestie. Rock on and let this bad boy do the heavy lifting. Okay, I've got to go practice Stairway to Heaven. Okay, I'm working on it.